Hi there. I am Officer Nights2. We will learn about union and intersection of sets. In the union of sets, there are many types of elements without repeating anything same. Suppose, Elliot Edwards took 3 green luminous colored spheres, marked number 2, 3, and 8 in set A. And Clarice Sinclair took 4 blue luminous colored spheres, marked number 3, 5, 8, and 11 in set B, in the Idea Palace. Then what do you see? We have to find union of sets. We are not dependent on any color yet, but to find all the numbers. Set A has 3 elements, 2, 3, and 8. And set B has 4 elements, 3, 5, 8, and 11. Then union of A and B equals 2, 3, 5, 8 and 11. On the other hand, if you find the intersection of sets, the repeated numbers will only be marked. Then intersection of A and B is 3 and 8. So we must note that the union symbol is denoted by U, and the other denoted by upside down U for the intersection. Next, in case if you find the cross multiplication of these elements, A cross B 3 elements in set A multiplied by 4 elements in set B. We get 12 possible ways, as well as B cross A. But the sequential of elements will look differently. The first element in set A cross B is 2 and 3, then the second element 2 and 5, and all the way up to 12th element 8 and 11, like a sample space in probability theory. Reversed multiplication will do the same thing, have different elements. A cross B is therefore not equal to B cross A. To make the cross multiplications equal, say set A is equal to set B. Then we get A cross B is equal to B cross A. What happens if we get an empty set, denoted by phi? In the following intersection, there are no identical numbers between these two sets. Suppose, if we change from 8 to 7 instead in set A, and 3 to 4 in set B instead, we get all the numbers different, with no repetition. The intersection between A and B is phi. This is the result. In the next video, we will learn about the next part. Like, comment, subscribe. See you then.